Hello, hello. Welcome back. We have 2 minutes till the market opens here, so go ahead and get this over with quickly. Trading stocks is very risky. I'm not telling you whether or not to do anything. Looking at my videos or my live streams won't make you profitable. That's up to you. Um, and this is just purely for entertainment and educational purposes. Keep in mind that trading is risky and most traders do lose money. Alright, so we have about a minute and a half to the open here. I'm looking at CELZ at the open. I have 141 pre-market. We're currently at 136. QEBT is also one that I'm watching on the side. It had a good day a couple of days ago, hitting 350. And then today it's gapping up pre-market. 273 is the highest pre-market. We also have JG. It's a sub-dollar stock, but it hit a high of 120 pre-market. So we'll see if it gets back up a dollar. Let's see here. Sorry, I've got a lot of mucus today. Still getting over whatever I had last week. We have Hoth, Hoth, possibly. Bit higher priced, it's at $5. Let's see, maybe Evax, possibly. There's the bell. The celts might be going into a halt here, or 148 is the halt level. Buyer at 31. Thinking about buying a dip here, but it already passed. Buyer at 36. Hopping in here for a break of 40. Watching that seller at 35, watching 40. Hopping out of it at 33. Also, I need to fix this. I don't know why TOS does not save my layout like this. Every single time I have to change it, it's annoying. Good morning, Jonathan. Alright, high of 240 there on QUBT. Pre-market pivot is 245. So hit 43 there, 44 on QUBT. Let's view up at 44. Watching that seller at 44. Buyer at 41. In here 44, watching the break at 45 and 48. Order out at 48 to sell. There we go. Watching 45 break or 50 break now. And at 48. It's not holding up 40s. Gonna cut it. Now we gotta watch 50 for the breakout. And there 45. Watch the retest at 50 here. Looking for an add at that break at 50. Watch that seller. There's 48, 49. There's 50, watching the break. Took some off at 50. Seller's getting bought through, so we're watching for the break of that seller. Watch 48 here, 50. Go ahead and cut it at 45. Gosh. Got some mucus. Ugh. PRFX is moving up on my side chart. Sub-dollar stock. We'll see how it looks around 81. Upping in here, starter size at 80. Watching now 81. Adding for 81 break. Watching 81.50, 82. Watching 81. There's a false breaking here. Has to hold 77. Here's 79. QUBT just broke out. Okay, there's 80. Add at 79. Now I'm gonna cut it 78 and 77. Buyers at 76.50. Buying the dip here at 75. There's 78 on the ask. Add at 78, watching 79, 80 now. Watching 78, 79. We're struggling at 78 here on PRFX. Watching one more time, break at 78. Adding, watching the 79 and 90, or 80. Seller at 79, we broke. Watching 80 here. Watching 79, just break at 79, 79, 30. 80, 80. $79.40. Watching break of 80 now. There's 81, 82. Watching break of 82. Buyer at 80.50. Took some off at 82 or 81. Taking the rest off at 80.50. Hopefully we can stay above 80 here because that's where VWAP is. But it looks like it wants to reject VWAP again. I was really looking forward for this thing to start looking towards $1 and 89.50. It's the high at this pivot. So back to green on the day for now. LIXT. LIXT from yesterday. Looks like kind of a bottom bounce though. Had a high of 270 yesterday. Now it's at 130, like half the price. We'll see if it holds up 150 here. LIXT. Watching it on a side chart. Starter at 73 here on PRFX on this dip. Alright, at 74. Break of 72, we get out. Got QUPT going. I did 73 on PRFX. Watching QUPT 57. The high at 54 there. Excuse me. Okay. We'll see if this next candle can break 255. Sellers at 52. Okay, in at 54, watching 55 break. There's definitely some buying, watching 57. There's 58, 59, 60. Can we get 60 here? Out at 59. Look to get back in at 60. Back in 58, watching 60. Some sellers at 58. Can we see that pull away from 58 to 60 and 65? No, it's selling off. An RSN, possibly a trade over 190. GeoEV. GeoEV looks nice. I guess not, it's kind of a barcode. Never mind. eBay. No. CBNA. Possibly. We'll see. It's late to the breakout. Let's see if it hits 60 here. There's 64, 65, 70. Not at 69 there. Watching retest of 70. Back in here for break of 75. Hopping back out. 67. And there it goes, 75. So I got shaken out too early. Okay, 74 we're in, watching 80. There's 78, watching 80 here. There's 81, struggling to break 80. Out at 79. Told Jay. Thanks for the call out. Alright, so hollow up on CBNA is 1516. So we're not too far away. Gonna look for a dip trade here. And at 69 there. Can I watch this back over 80, 90? We can look for an add through the highs. There's 93, 94. I'll be watching for an add at 15. Add at 95 there. Watching break of 15. Hollow still at 1516. So seller at 99. Watching 15. There's break at 15, 1510. Hollow is now at 1531. So hollow moved up. This candle's going red on me. Let's see if it gets back over 90. Let me get back over 90 on this candle. 84, 85, 6, 5, 4, 6. Counting at 83. So small win because of the add at 95. Watching another dip trade down here. I missed it probably. 62 is the low of this candle. SQL from yesterday, moving up. 54. CVNA, break of 15. So back in here for a break of 15 on CVNA. Never mind, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Need a lower share size. Big buyer there at 46 on SQO. You know what? CELZ is actually curling up towards VWAP, so we'll see if it wants to get back above 20. Watching SQL. And at 53 there on SQL. Watching 55, there's some sellers there at 55. Watching break of 55 up to 57. Adding 57 break. Buyers going through at 57. Watching 58, 60. Took some off at 59. Watching 60. Buyer stepping at 56. Gonna hop out there at 57. Back in 58. Can we see 60 here? There's 59. Can we get 60 again? There's 60. Watch break to 60. Looking for that add on the break. There's a break. Add it 61. Add it 61. So that add pretty much didn't do anything. Okay, the scanners are kind of dead. We'll see if anything looks like it wants to do anything. Now on the dip at 111 on sells. Cutting at 110. Back in at 111 on sells. Cutting at break even. I wonder what the float is on sells. Let me go look at that again. Float is 13 million, so it's not even that big of a float. There's just a crap ton of volume. Big buyers, big sellers on each price. So strange. SQL dip there. 56. So SQL, possibly get a curl back up to 170. A PRFX, maybe retest to 72 cents. QUBT. Okay. So we might get some resistance at 74 on the SQL. Just looking at yesterday's chart. I'm gonna go ahead and move this up to 74, 75. Watching 65 here on SQL. Yeah, QUBT flush there. MSGM, light volume, we'll see what the level 2 looks like. Spread's a bit wide. 1709 is the hot level though. See if he gets back above 1650. We'll go 100 shares. Watching 1650. Yeah, 33. Now watching 80. Hot level 1731. Watching that break of 80. Looking for an add at 17. Adding at 84. Watching 17. Watch this break up to the hot level at 1731. Out there at 1706. Holding the rest of it. Watching 1730. 1761's now the hot level. Back over 17. Looking at 1720. Watching 1720. Spread's getting a bit too wide, so I'm going to get out the second it gets back over 17. Most likely. Unless it looks like it's going to push. There it goes, 1710, 1720. Watching 20, there's 30. Cutting it at 1710. 1789 is the hot level now. The spread was really open there. I'm gonna hop in here 1720, watching for break of 1750. Buyer at 93. Cut it at 93. So we hit a low 17 or 1660 on that candle. Watching this for a dip to like low 16s. Okay, it's not. There it goes, hits highs, 1770. Watching back over 50. So watching 40 and 50 for the break back over. Cutting it as it comes back down to 17. It's back up. Okay, watching back over 40 on MSGM, watching 50. High day is 70. There's 80, there's 98. Out at 98. Some. Now watching the rest. Watching the break over 18. There's 1805. Out at 1803. Okay. Back in looking for break at 1810, 1820. There's 15. Order sitting at 1815. 1812, 1815. There we go. Out at 1815. There we go. Halt levels up at 1892. Back in here, 32. Gonna cut it at. Whoa, wait, why was that? Why was that fillet? What? I have to watch that fill again. That was way too low. What? No way. I saw 1815 on the bid. Watching the dip here, 1760. Man, I'm dying here. T-cat. Yeah, possibly. SQLL or SQL looking like it wants to maybe reclaim highs. Back in here, 60. Seller at 63. Seller at 63, 62. Watching that seller at 63. Taking it off. Break even. Small win. Watching TCAT. Look at TCAT here. 1920. Watching back over at 20. There's 21. Watching 22 break. High a day. 23. There's a seller at 23. Can we get through that seller? There's 24. Can we see 25? 24, 25. Volume's increasing. Can we get the break of 25 here? Watching 24, 25. There's 25. It's breaking. Okay. Seller's coming at 24. Watching 24, 25. Look at that ask size. There's 24. Volume is increasing on this candle. It's a breakout candle, so good thing we're having an increasing volume. Watching 25. There's 27. Took some off at 27. Watching 28 and 30. Adding at 28. Watch 30 here. Cutting at 27.50. Back in at 28. Now watching 30. 30 breakout. There's 31. Order sitting at 31. Buyer at 38 or 28. So watching 30, 31. Gonna take it off at 27. Starter down there at 24 on that dip. Back out 24. Seller at 63 is still there on SQL. Watching to see if it comes down. In there, 63. Can we see 64 break? Seller at 64 as well. So watching that seller at 64. It's not breaking. I'm gonna get out break even for now. There's the dip. 53. TCAT looking to break 30 again. Watching 30 break on TCAT in at 29. Watching that seller at 30. Seller at 30. Seller at 30. Can we get over 30? Break to 33 here. Buyer at 25. Let's see 30 on the ask again. 29. Gonna hop out at 24. Don't like how it's going down this much. Looks like CBNA halted up. Could potentially watch resumption on it. GFAI. Might not be enough volume though. We'll see. I'll pull up GFAA. Starter at 21 on TCAT. Watching 43 on GFAI. GFAI, watching breakout at 43. Seller at 43. We'll see if we can break it. Looks like it wants to break. There's 43.50, 43.80. Orders sitting at 43.50. Shit. She got flushed on me. So TCAP flushed on me, which basically makes this trade null. Watching 44 now on GFAI. Watching 44 for the break. Getting out at 43.90 and 43.80 when that big seller popped up at 44. So yeah, it's kind of hard today to get a profit. Ay, ay. What egg? $17.50 on MSGM. And at 40, watching break over 62, over 80. Cutting it for a loss at 32. Yeah, go Azor. This week is hard. Definitely feels like nothing is coming easy. Nothing going straight up. A lot of false breakouts. Small profits, some bigger losses. CBNA, when's that resume? Just resumes now. Oh my god, I can't type the level 2. 1620 is high. There's 30. 35. Seller at 30. You're at 26. Watching 30. Watching 30. No. 20. 20. Yeah, cutting it. Seller at 96 now. 98. So there's a seller walking it down. We'll wait for the seller to get bought up, then we'll go back in. Follow downs at 1540. Seller at 85. Back in at 85. Now watching 90. Back over 90. Seller at 80. Went through it. Watch this over 16 again. So watching over 16. Watching 90. Green at 85. Cutting at 78. My thesis was that as soon as we broke that seller, we would have popped back up, and it looks like we did, but maybe that was just a little bit too early to it. Yeah, there it goes. Watching 30. There's 40. Can we get 50 here? Follow up is at 84. Can we get break of 50 here? There's break of 50. No, no good. I mean, this stuff isn't even in my ballpark, so it's like... it's gonna halt up again, isn't it? 84. Watching the dip here, 50. 40, 30. Can we get 30s? And at 54 on the dip. See if we can reclaim 60s and 70s. Follow up is at 84. Of course not. Why would we reclaim 50? It doesn't make any sense. Let's just go back down. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it at 34. It's not my bread and butter. I'm gonna go ahead and pull away from it. See if there's anything else to trade. TCAT, curling, no, MSGM, SQL, sells. Sells possibly, it's going up. Watching 4580 on GFA. Watching 80. 63 on the S. Watching 70, 80. Looking for the break of 46. There's 46, adding for the breakout. There's 46 to 80. Took the rest off at 46.50. So in at 46.30, watching 46.80, 47 for the break. Watching 47, that seller at 47. Taking off at 47.50, 47.90. Watching 47 for the break. It's no good, we're flushing down. So we broke 46 there. Sells is looking like it wants to curl back left towards VWAP, so I'm watching this if it wants to pop. Hollow up's at 130, so I'm watching sells here as well. Keeping an eye on it. And at 44.50 on GFA. Watching this back over 45. Watching 45 here. Watching 45.50, 45.60. Hopping out for a small loss. Or a bigger loss. That's 50 bucks. Buyers at 45. See if I can get filled at 45. And at 45.70 average, watching 46. Pop through 46 here. Come on, let's see, pop through 46. High at 47. Come on, you have it in you. Higher volume candle, let's see 46. There we go. Watching 46 break here. High is 47. We'll watch for 47. Come on. Increasing volume, we should be able to get the break of 46. Support at 45. Taking the loss on it, probably gonna end the day here. Sucks. So I'm sized up for the breakout, it doesn't happen. Take a huge loss. But that would have been my daily goal right there if I had that win. God. That sucks. Well, I'm probably not gonna make that back today. probably tell you that. There's really nothing moving. It's really frustrating that nothing is moving. Nothing has volume. Everything's false breaking. There goes GFA, whipping me out of the trade and then going back up. So it's like, what am I supposed to do with that? Now it's gonna break 46. Now it looks good for a break of 47. Watching 48. Sellers at 47, 48. Can it break 47 here? 48. Watching break of 48. It's got a nice volume spike and the candle looks great. Can we get 48 break here? Still watching for 48 break. It's 48.50. Taking stop at 48.50. Here's 49. Watching 49 break. Seller 48.50. Can we get back above 48 here? Took some more off 48, watching 48.50 and 49. Watch 48.80 and 49. Seller at 48.50. Should be able to break that seller with the volume we're having. Just 48. Taking some more off break even. Watching 49 for the break. There's 49.50. Mostly out. There's 50. Watching 50 here for the break of 50. Watching this break of 50. Outed back for the break of 50. It's not breaking, getting out, break even. Watching 50 break again. 49.70 is a seller. Watching 50. There we go. Should see 52. There's 51. Can we get 52 here? Watching 51 again. Watching that break at 51. Watching 52. 51.30. Taking some off there. There's 53. Hit 55 there for a moment. Adding at 53. Watching 55. Watching 53 for the break at 55. Taking off at 53 for now. 52.60. Buyers at 52. Not that many though. We need to see 53 again if we're gonna buy for the break of highs. Fortunately, I don't think I got anything out at 55 or anywhere close there. Hopefully we don't lose 50 here. That would be tragic. It's gonna lose 50. There it goes. Not much of a break though. 49. Buyers at 49, 49.30. Watching back over 50. Can we get back over 50 here? There's 51. Can we get 52 here? Watching 50, 50, 51. Taking off for a small loss. Okay. GFA might have been done. So celts, we're waiting for it to get back over 20s. But it might never happen. Watching 50 on GFA. Big buyers at 49. Watching 50 here. Seller at 49. Gonna cut it at 48.50. Took a bigger loss there. So sell, so we hit 21. Can we actually break view up though? Such a slow mover though. Really sucks that GFA had that topping candle. If this is only a high of 53, we could have maybe broken 53 here. But buyers got scared buying 3 cents below the highs instead of only a penny. Low at 46.50 there. So it's maybe a second attempt of 21. Dip trade there, 47. Watching that seller at 47. Okay, we got 47.30. 48 the high of the previous candle. So maybe adding for the break of 48. Volume's increasing. $47.30 high the last candle. Watching 20 on Celts. Huge seller there, but we got bought up. Now watching 21, 22, and 19. Watching 21. Out of 18. So yeah, there's huge selling at 21. We'll wait till it gets closer to 24, 25 maybe. So Celts. I'm really not sure why there's so much volume and so much selling. Uh, there's like, it's only a 13 million share float. It's not a high float stock, it's a low float stock. Building a starter position, 4750 break on GFA. Watching 4750. Watching break of 48. GFAI. So buyers at 47. Watching this for 48 break. Just hopping out at 4750 and 4770. Watching 22 on Celts. Looks like 21's breaking. Nope. Can we go ahead and give money back like just like that? So 21 looked like I was about to break. Then we ended up taking a 5-cent loss on 2,000 shares. Is there nothing else? Ugh. So Celts is not even worth watching. It's not even worth it. MSGM. Maybe it gets back over. SV, no volume. No volume. No volume. Very frustrating day. I'm at 25, watching 50. Watching that break of 1750. Seller at 50. We broke through most of the seller. Can we get back over 50? Watching 50 here. 60, 70. Order sitting at 67. There we go. There's 70. Can we see 80 here? If we get 80, we should be able to get 18. Back below 30. I don't want to touch it, so I'm gonna get out 39. GFAI, I'm not touching it until it gets back above 48. Wait a second, BJDX, looking good. BJDX, high of 74. This candle went from 66 to 74. Should probably lower size. 70. Come on, end green. Close green on this candle, come on. MSGM breaking 18. $69, there's a buyer at 69 on BJDX. Buyer at 69. Watching 71. High 74. Will we hold 69 here? Gonna cut 69. There's the flush, so I guess it's not going to be worth it to trade this. We almost had something good going from 55 to 75, and then right back down. Sorry, I'm being so pessimistic today. Maybe MSGM over 80, 18. I watched 17, 80, and 90 for a break of 18. MSGM. Watching break of 18 here. 98, 99. Let's see 18 on the ass. Let's see it go through on the tape. 95 on the tape. There's 98, there's 18. Watch the break, there's 18, 10. 12, 14. Order sitting at 12. We go ahead and take it back off. Usually it breaks again. Order at 1812 for half size. God. $77 on the ask. Cutting at 71. GPay, we're still waiting for 47, 48. Get a starter down here at 47. On that curl to 48. Alright, we got 47.80 there. Watching 48 break here. And 47.20 average. Watching 48 here. 47.80. Watching 48. There's 83, buyer at 50. Buyer at 50. It's not holding. Taking some off break even. We'll load back in if we look at it's like it's gonna break 48. Taking the rest off. Okay, watching 48. Seller 47.70. Watch 48 here. Seller at 48. Big seller. Will we break? Taking some off break even. Watching that seller at 48. It's really thinning out, so we'll see if it breaks. Watching 48 again. Here's the break of 48. And at 48.20. Watching 48.40. Crap. Okay. Took a dip trade there on MSGM. 16. Seller at 47.50. Watching 47. I bought that dip at 46.50. Cutting the trade at 46. Watching 47. GFA. Watching 48. There's 48.40. Can we get the break of 48.40? Can we get 49? Come on, let's get 49 here. Watching 49. Taking some off at 48.50, 48.60. Press stop at 48.13. We got 49. If we can get 40, if we can get 50, we actually look good for a break of high day again. Getting a starter size here, 48.60. I'll look to see if we can get 49 break. Big seller at 48.80 actually. I'll have to see if I have to sell on the bid. So I hand to sell, just in case 48.80 doesn't break. There's 49, 49.30. Hopping out 48.90. So we false broke out because we didn't actually break that seller. Seller came back in at 49.50. But volume is coming in, so maybe we do get something. It looks like it's breaking down 48 here. So it's gonna be a false breakout. We're back above 100. We were red for a moment. I might call it, because I'm really not making money. Not sure yet. Not sure just yet. Buying the dip there, see if we can get back above 48. Buyer there at 47.80. Watching 48 for the break back over. Okay, there's 48.70. Can we get 49 here? High, the last move was 49.30. 48.70 was the high there. Gonna cut it there at 47.80. Pretty much break even trade. Small loss actually. Damn. $10 win there. That was all for $10. Wow. Must have gotten a bad fill. 50. Need to see orders at 50. 50 looks like it wants to break. Watching 50 break. There's 51. Watching 51 break. Can I get 52? 51.50 there. Took some off at 51.50. Looking to buy this dip. Added at 50. Watching back above 50. There's 51. Okay, watching 51. So cutting it for a loss. Starter at 50. There's a hidden seller at 50. If it breaks, we should see 51, 52. Yeah, I am. It didn't go there at 51.50. Just seller, hidden seller at 50. It still looks great on the 5-minute chart though. That's what I'm so frustrated by. Because I'm wanting to walk, and but this still looks good for my setup. It's just not following through. And now it's selling off a bit too much. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it. It's not working for me today. I'll finish the day down, um, down 140. That's totally fine. It's like a scratch day. It's whatever. All right. I'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Today's Wednesday. Yeah, so tomorrow's Thursday. Thursday, we got 2 more days left in the week. Let's make sure we end it green. All right. So take care, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. And I should have that recap of Monday's tradings up today. So I'm gonna make that right now, and then I'll go ahead and post it. Yeah, Sir Clive, it's a very small red day. I've been break even pretty much all day long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and call it here. All right. Take care, guys.